Okay, here's the video I promised on the throttle body plug. So here's the male plug that is actually connected to, let's see if I can get a whole thing here, the fender under, I can get the whole thing. Okay, so here it is, and that plugs, oops, down into there, but that's the throttle body plug. Which is male, plugs into there. And that plug is connected up here to the fender. Up into here. Then it goes around, down, of course, into the computer box. And the MAF is on another separate line that goes up under here. I didn't take this off. Under here and into the computer. So that's two separate things. I haven't cut this open yet. Who knows what we'll find in there. I'm hoping maybe someone rebuilt it or replaced it. And I will be cutting this part to take a look and to see. So this is an SL320.